Khadgar, I got your books.
Observe and reflect.
Khadgar gingerly looks over the spine of each book as you hand it to him, growing more and more visibly disgusted. Will you look at these? This is like a set of an encyclopedia for psychopaths. Awesome. We've got to destroy the tomes. Many of them have actual tortured souls bound into the pages. So we can't just burn them. Cordana will know what to do. Take these books to my tower in Zengar, okay?
Give Cordana my best. She's been quite distant lately.
Yeah, maybe because you'd be ignoring her. You gotta show your lady some attention, Khadgar. Why you're a 33-year-old virgin that looks like you're 86? Shut up, Smite. This way.
What can I do for you?
You can take me to Zangara.
Or the Alliance?
As he destroys it, yeah. PK, go make Minecraft an evil game. See, stupid Griffin, why do you have to fly around it? Like, you could've just beelined it. Stupid animal! Let me off. I want my ring. Cordana. Hey, look who it is! Rathian. Hey, where you going? Come back here. Rathian, where are you going? Where's Rathian going? I haven't seen you all expansion and you show up for 1 second and fly away. Fuck you, Rathian. Cordana! Khadgar said to come say hi and pay attention to you because he's not paying attention to you. Khadgar wants you to destroy these. She is doing nothing. Nothing that concerns me, and I have this under control. Khadgar would like to destroy me.
Yes, Gul'dan's tomes. Are you sure Khadgar didn't try to use them? Books of power. Books of knowledge. Books written in the language of chaos. Don't you worry, champion. All will be destroyed. Now, give me your ring. I need it. Give it here.
No, it's my ring, bitch. Why are you making a pentagram and shit?
I don't trust this place.
Yeah, and I don't trust you. The ring! The one Khadgar has been cooking up with. Oh, hell no!
Then I will take it from
I'd like to see you try.
glory The orb of dominion spoke to me. I saw the truth.
Get wrecked, bitch. It's my ring. WoW wants to marry me, not you.
Khadgar is just a child, swaggering around.
Aw, she said swag.
Playing
You
with
dead,
life,
bitch.
dabbling
First
in
you want to
what
take my ring,
pretends to comprehend.
and then you say swagger? Hey, hey, knock it off.
Walk away.
No, you get
Nothing
back here,
will
bitch.
stop Gul'dan.
No, don't stun me.
The Legion stands behind him.
Oh, she blind.
Mark my words, your leaders will betray you. Azeroth will burn.
Yeah, right after you die, bitch. Or not. You can get away, that's cool too. Oh well. The fuck do I do now? Now I get to go back to my garrison. All you motherfuckers just stood around and watched. I'm telling Khadgar on you. Especially you, Mr. Kyrian Tormagus. Yeah, look at me, I'm a magus. PK.
How are you? Have a good one.
Try and take my ring. Blizzard gave me this ring. Or maybe Steve, like, the zombies aren't really zombies and it's just people, like, you're an escaped convict from, like, a mental institution or something, like an asylum. They're not actually zombies. Let me off, Griffin. Khadgar, Codorno went crazy.
Find a way through this.
Face falls as you describe your encounter at the tower. Cordana! No, 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 no. She's been very distant lately. I just thought it was part... Hold on, I was spinning and now I'm dizzy. It was part of her Stone Cold Warden routine. I didn't realize. Ah, Trip. You see, this is exactly what Gul'dan does. He finds our weakness and turns it against us. Be careful who you trust. Ah, Cordana. Khadgar turns his eyes to the sea. Cordana.
Be vigilant, friend.
You be vigilant. You've done everything I asked, Tripped. I believe we can apply our one final enchantment to your ring, but we must be cautious. Last time I augmented your ring, I killed you. Sorry. It will take a divine act to empower you further. Fortunately, you've made some powerful allies during your time here. Travel to the Temple of Karabor, where Yrel is waiting for you. With the blessing of the Naru, your ring will become as powerful and unique as, well, as yourself. Go to Karabor and you earned it.
In one piece.
He said I'm unique and special. scrolls. Yeah, right? I've heard of scrolls like twice. Wait, what the fuck's Cobalt? Wait, does Mojang have another game aside from Minecraft and scrolls?
Well met.
Karabor, I need to go to Karabor. I think they're just all out of ideas for Minecraft. I feel like it was a one-trick pony, and anything they can add to it is already in the game with mods. Someone else has done it already. Ammo and I tried playing it a few weeks ago. It was like, ugh. I remember why I was bored. Oh, what's in Minecraft 2.0? I can understand why Ally were like butthurt they didn't get this place as a city. It's really nice. Oh, look at all the Draenei that came to watch me get my ring.
Welcome, Commander. Khadgar tells me you've accomplished so many great things.
Yeah.
It is time to take a stand.
It is an honor to fight alongside you, Trip. For a moment, I wish I encountered you inside the horrible tunnel beside the dark portal. Your presence has always inspired me. Kara, too, sees your inner strength are due to the or something to speak with a K.
Take your knee, champion. It is a rare and special privilege to be blessed.
Wait, isn't Blizzard proposing to me? Why am I... What? No. Blizzard's proposing to me.
Blessed are the torchbearers who bring the light to darkness. Blessed are the valorous who stand fast in an unjust world.
Oh shit, it's Velen.
Champion, a great darkness has taken root on Draenor.
Uh-oh.
The righteous would flock to your banner. You must not falter. Go now with the light's blessing. Take the fight to our enemies. The fate of two worlds hangs in the balance.
Did you hear anything? Did the Naaru speak to you?
You didn't see Velen right there, lady?
What is happening to this world?
Legion's invading. Crit multi-strike. You have earned this, warrior. You've traveled the length and breadth of my world. You've surmounted unimaginable odds and stood toe-to-toe against ancient beasts, dark magics, and terrifying machines. Time and again, you have inspired my people with your patience and bravery. Yes, Blizzard, I do. Now give me the ring.
The Commander.
I win!
Whatever
Aha!
you should do, know that you have the full support of the Draenei people.
Blizzard, I want a divorce and have half your money now.
With you.
What now?
There's much we can learn here.
We have one final task before us, Trip. We must defeat Gul'dan and unravel his plans for this world. I have no reward to offer you. I have given you everything I can. Okay, bye. Come when you and your allies march against Hellfire City. I already had that.
With every passing moment, Gul'dan grows in power. But he no longer slinks through the shadows. We know where he is. We know what he's doing. Now we strike. May the light have mercy on all our souls.
I got married to Blizzard and now I want a divorce for half their money because I got the legendary ring. Thora sauce. Thora sauce. I feel like a glowing inner warmth and peace as a well-renewed sense of purpose. Yay, fireworks! Hey, hey,
Good fortune.
hey. Blizzard married me. How does that make you feel? I got a ring, you don't. Ha 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 ha. Ha ha ha. Look what it does. Oh my god. You're right.